Use the card and you need to on the light. So this is our hotel room. This is at Ibis Macpherson, Singapore style. When I come in, it's like it's very strange, the settings. There is a sink here. I don't know why. Maybe it's because they want to save more space. So this is a sink.
It's more area.
Yeah, and this is the shower. This is a shower. It looks like this. Let me just open and show you. Is there a light in here? Maybe you have to use the shower. I'm not so sure if there's any lights here. Hi, Generation. So this is a shower. So it's really good because it's separate. Hi, Yvonne. Oh, you can open all the lights. Open all the lights and LG. Hi, Eve. We're going to have a shower. Hi, Carol. Hi, Yvonne. So this is how it looks like. And they have a separate toilet, which is really good. So I don't have to spray perfume every time. This is me. And very strange outline. Layout, I find. When you come in and then you see the room, it's very, very colorful, I find. And then there is a seating place here. It's like a small cafe area where you could enjoy your coffee. There is bottles of water and also a tea pot and also this, what do you call, teacups. And also a small sofa, and one person can, maybe 2 person can sit here and 1 person could sit here. Very strange layout, I still find. And also they have this shaving kits, so you don't have to bring your shaver. And also they have toothpicks, a toothbrush, and even a sewing kit, vanity kit. What is a vanity kit? Oh, that toothpick and tops, cotton buds and all that. And they even have a comb, my goodness. So this is all into the price, which I am really liking because it's not so expensive. So this is the area. You can even have your baggage underneath the bed because it's quite high. My goodness, it's very high, this bed. So you can actually put your baggage underneath.
It's lower than on the other.
It's lower than the other.
Yeah.
But it feels like...
It's like our at home.
Yeah, it feels like that.
Yeah.
And then it's really, really colorful. The bed is white linen and also with a big board. Very, very colorful and modern. At first, when I saw the brochure, I was like, oh my goodness, so colorful. Huh? What? Oh, we forgot our wine.
Jesus Christ.
We forgot our wine.
Shit.
But maybe we can call them and tell them that. We can call them. We bought some wine and we forgotten about that. But anyway, this is the how it looks like from the top floor. We are living on the 9th floor, so we have a really awesome view from the hotel. It's really beautiful. I find it's really, I'd rather have this than the poolside because some evening the poolside can be a bit busy because there's like a pub and a restaurant. So this side, I'm amazed because the glass is really, really thick. You can't hear anything from the traffic at all. It's totally quiet. So you can see it's really cloudy today. And I'm loving it because it means that it's not so hot. So this is how the hotel rooms look like. I'm really excited. And we are going to get changed now. And we're going to see if we enjoy our stay here. All right. So, see you. Bye-bye.